paid about 95 bucks for them. This flange is a little bit too long. It's hitting this one, so one of these will have to get chopped off a little bit and then it should clear. The threads in this goes all the way down, so I won't be ruining any threads. It's still gonna have a lot of room to like bolt in and stay fit. I was gonna do this myself, but because I don't have a garage or time at the moment because of a lot of things happening, I'm just gonna have a garage do it that I know. The reason I went with these was because they're 95 bucks and a lot of my friends actually own these. Nothing bad to say about them, they actually like them. And for 95 bucks you really can't go wrong, so I decided to do this since the current tune that I have now deletes the cats anyways. What I am noticing is some scuffs right here. If you guys can see, hold up. Yeah, so it might have a little bit of leakage. I'm hoping not. I have these gaskets, I know they suck, but I'll tell them to use a gasket maker as well. So just seal those up.
And say something like, and say something like.
So as you see, this one super restrictive. Basically all that is just cut off. All the new ones right here have better flow. So this is like I'm going to open up the car a little bit more. I had the shop remove the subframe. As you can see, my radiator is completely bent. I already ordered a new one from Mishimoto. Thanks to them, they hooked me up. And there's my subframe, the other header, and the old one. But yeah, this thing's freaking ridiculous. I'm glad I'm not doing this shit myself because there's a lot of cutting involved in re-drilling, so I'm happy about that. So they're on. We kind of rigged this thing here since it's broken over there. The only thing that sucks is the header's actually hitting the top sensor, so it might burn through it. But with the tune, they shouldn't really be working, but since it's the fuel air mixture, I don't know. But basically putting the subframe back on now. Like, these headers fit everyone else's cars. For some reason it doesn't fit mine, and it's made for this M54s, so don't know why it's kind of giving us a hard time. But once we have it on, we probably might have a leak down there, but that's not a big issue because I'll be changing that out anyways later on. Just hoping it doesn't burn through that sensor. I'm gonna have to buy some like heat wrap or something like that, but yeah.
6 hours later.
Give us some gas. Do like 5 God damn. Dude, for real, it's loud. I love it.
I'm good. There's a fucking echo.
Yeah, I really miss this car. It's been a week. I haven't really posted anything because, as I mentioned in a previous video, my wife and I were... Oh my god, my phone keeps falling. Second time, every time I get him. As I was saying, The only reason I haven't posted anything because in my last video I told you guys how my wife and I are expecting our first child. But be sure, there's a lot of videos coming. I finally got the GTR Kit. I don't remember if I mentioned in the last video that it actually came in, because it did. I have it in my possession. It looks awesome. Can't wait to put it on. I have a Mishimoto Raidiator going on. I have a Mishimoto Thermostat going on. I have a Saibon GTR style hood going on. That it was my dream hood, which was $1,600, and I got it for a steal. When it comes in, I'm gonna inspect it, because in pictures and what the guy told me, it's super clean, nothing wrong with it, and they go for like $1,500–$1,600, and I got this one for a ridiculous steal. It's literally brand new with like maybe a few scuffs that can easily be fixed with sanding and some clear coat. So I'm really happy on that. When it comes in and I do a video on that, you guys will blow your minds for how much I paid for that hood. I honestly thought that it was too good of a price. As soon as it went up online, a buddy of mine sent me a link and I bought it within like 10 seconds. I saw it and I bought it. So I had to get it. It's a steal of a price. It was my dream hood as well, because it has really large GTR grills on it, like the vented grills, and I really wanted that. But when it comes in, I'll definitely show you guys everything. I'm super excited for the hood because the hood was my favorite and I can't believe I actually got it. I was going to go with the fiberglass hood, which was like almost double the price of what I paid for this full carbon fiber Saibon hood. So I'm super hyped. But definitely be on the lookout. I am going to be posting videos very soon. It's just been very busy with bringing my daughter home and like settling everything in with my wife. But parts are going to be on soon. I have a lot of parts going on that they're just waiting in my house. Definitely stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.